guys, and welcome back to my channel. So something's different in this video. Can you tell what it is? If you watched my last charity shop vlog, it was the last ever video in my old car, which is sadly no longer with us, but I am sat in my new car, so this is the first time filming in this car, and apologies if it's a little bit shaky. I am holding my phone with my hand because I don't have my phone holder in this one because it's got built-in maps. Like, how snazzy is that? And also, to all those people saying my steering wheel's on the wrong side of the car, I'm in England. It's on this side. So it's actually on the right side that is meant to be. So thank you for all your worries that I need to get a new car with the steering wheel on that side, but I do not. But yeah, that did make me giggle, all those comments. I always forget that it's on the other side in some places. But nonetheless, this is another charity shop vlog, and I've already rambled. So I went to my favourite pound charity shop this morning, and I got lucky. So I found quite nice bright stuff actually. So it's outdoory gear, and I always look for this stuff when I'm in charity shops because when I'm fossil hunting I go through gear quite quickly because it just wears down and that sort of thing. But this is a jumper, and look how bright it is. Like, it's lovely, and it's made of a really nice material. This is really hard to show you one-handed, so I'm doing this no justice whatsoever. So I'll try these all on for you when I get home, but I've got a few more charity shops to do first. And then the next thing I got, it's another blue jumper, but look how cute this is. And it's like vintage DKNY. Like, look at this. This is really hard to show you again. DKNY active. But I love the colours of it. Like, how cute is that? And it's a size small, and it's a really nice fit. It's got like long arms and a cropped fit, but I haven't tried any of them on because you can't. That's the only, I say, downfall. They're all £1. Like, I got both those jumpers for £1 each. It's nuts. So even if they don't fit, what's the problem? Then the next thing I got is just a really cute sort of like satin night shirt thing. Sorry if I keep drooping my phone, it's quite hard to hold it horizontal. So I love like sort of like satin nightwear. I just find it really comfy and cool, so I thought that'd be really nice, and it was £1, and I was like, fab. And then the final thing I got is for my mother. So I got her just some nice black stretchy leggings. So I'll try these on because they'll probably be the same size for me, and if I like them maybe I'll keep them. But me and my mum share all our clothes anyway, so they can be for us. But black leggings are just always needed, and me and my mum, we're quite curvy, so getting ones that don't go see-through is always worth the risk, just buying them for £1 and trying them, because no one wants see-through black legging bum. It just isn't a good look, so we always go for funky ones, and these feel really nice and thick, so I'm hopeful, but I'll know as soon as I put them on if they're like stretched too sheer on the bum. They just go back to the charity shop. It was £1, it's not a problem. Right, so that is my rambling over. I'm going to go hop to the next charity shops, hopefully find some stuff. If not, I've found enough good stuff from this one, so I'll try it all on when I get home. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm all done with the charity shops, so I just went to the two that are like, there's two charity shops right next to each other. It's amazing, and I found something in each of them. So I'll start with the belts. So I have quite a small waist, so whenever I find belts that just fit straight off the rack, I tend to pick them up, and these ones are quite stylish belts, and I was a bit like, yes please. So they were all £2, and this is the first one I got. So this one sort of reminds me, it's a little bit dominatrixy, but it looked really cute with my outfit because I am literally in like leather and snakeskin, and I put it on and I was like, okay, I can work with this. This is kind of cute, and it's really sturdy. Like, it's just quite a nice belt. And this one is real leather by Retro Luxe, and it's an extra small, hence why it fit straight off the rack. So it's just really nice. I like the poppers, and I quite like the buckle on the front, but I'll put this on with my outfit when I get into the house and you can see what you think. Then the next one I got is this black leather one. It's adjustable, the buckle, so it means I can make it any length that I want for my waist, so I can make this one fit, which is really nice. It's not real leather, but it's not been worn much, so it's not had any damage around the buckle or anything, so I thought for £2, fabulous as well. And then the final belt I got, if I can do up the buckle one-handed, this is gonna be a task. Let me just, oh no, I cannot. We'll hook it on one side for you. So it's this gold, oh I did it, oh no I didn't. It's a black and gold sort of leather elastic belt, and this one's just a Primark one, but it fit my waist. It's not super tight around my waist, but it just looked really smart. So I'll put it on and you can see, I hope it doesn't look tacky in your eyes, but when I put it on, I just thought, this is actually quite nice. I think I can make this work. So I just thought for £2, I'm just going to try it. And yeah, so they're the belts I got. And then in the other charity shop, they do a pound rail, and I found a really nice blue dress. Like, I love royal blue, and you might have seen I just like blue, hence the jumpers I bought earlier. And it's just like a bodycon dress. I'm aware I'm not doing this any justice whatsoever, but it's sort of got snakeskin embroidery on it, and it's got like panels going down it. It's just a really nice blue dress, and it's quite a smart neckline. It comes up to about here. And I just thought it might work, it might not. It is a size 6. Now, I am not a size 6, and I hope I can wedge myself into this. It's very stretchy, and in the shop I was stretching it, and it wasn't going like see-through when I stretched it, and it didn't seem to be struggling. So it might feel a bit like a sports bra dress, but if I can get it on, I think it'll look lovely. But I thought for £1, worth the risk. So I'm going to go hop into the house now, and we can try this all on and see what all the stuff I got looks like. I did quite well today. I'm chuffed, very chuffed. So I'm in the house now, and I thought I would show you the belts one by one. So this is the first one. So you saw it in the car, but I thought I would show you how it looks on. So it just goes up like that. And I wasn't sure on this one, but it did kind of go with my outfit, and it grew on me. And for £2 I thought I might be able to play around with it and make it work. But it just fits the waist perfectly, and I like the double popper. So let me know what you think about this one, if it is a bit too dominatrixy, but I kind of like it. It's subtle, and it's just like leather and metal, and I quite like that look together. So I definitely could incorporate it into many of my outfits. I just don't want it to look too extreme. So do let me know if I look a bit silly, but no, I really like it, and it fits so beautifully. It's literally my waist, like 100%. It's not too tight anywhere, it's not too loose, so it's just perfect. The next belt is this sort of sizable one, so you can make this one as tight or loose as you want, and I just realised it's going to completely blend in with my outfit. So I don't like this sticky out bit here, so I just double it up, so I just put it back through, like so. But it's just quite a smart leathery belt. It just looks like that. So I could wear it with this outfit. It looks like it's part of it. But it's just a very sleek black belt. So it's something I thought I would get wear out of. And I like the fact it's adjustable, so I can make it as small as I want to. So sometimes if I want to really get that small waist hourglass look, this is the belt for that. So I really like this one. And this is how the last belt I got looks. So this one I just got because it sort of breaks up an outfit. It just looks quite classy, and it's really easy to wear. It's not too tight at all. It's literally just an accessory. So I just liked the buckle design on it. I thought it was quite simple, but I liked the fact that these rectangles were leather and this is gold. I thought it could look really nice with the right outfit. And I was wearing this outfit when I got these belts, so it meant that in the mirror I tried all of them on and I was like, oh my god, these look so good. So that's probably why I ended up buying 3. But for £2, I just didn't want to leave it. There was something about it that I just was like, I like that. So let me know what you think, but no, I really like it, I think. It's quite unusual. I like it. I do have some sad news. The lovely £1 leggings I bought, I just tried to get on, and I couldn't get my ankles through the ankle holes. Now I think that might just tell me the whole legging is too small, but the rest of them look like they might fit. But my mum has smaller feet than me, so maybe she'll be able to get her feet through them, but I just thought if I can't get my ankles through them, is there much point really wedging them on me? So I'll see if they fit my mum. They were £1 though, so I don't feel like I've lost out on much, but they're just really nice leggings. Like, they just feel like really nice quality, and I loved this sort of ribbing effect here. I don't know if it'll focus for you guys, but they feel really nice. So hopefully they'll fit my mum, but unfortunately they're not made for my fat ankles, apparently. I didn't realise I had fat ankles, but they would not go through these leg holes, so I don't know, do they look strangely small? Or maybe my ankles are just strangely big. We'll see. Right, so I'm now going to put the dress on. This is what it looks like, and I love it. I think it really hugs my curves beautifully. It's not too tight anywhere. It went on really easily, and it's not like overstretched anywhere, so it's not see-through at all. Only thing I would say is, as much as I love how it's hugging my curves, it's also hugging other areas as well that dresses don't normally hug for me. So you can see like my belly button, my ribs. So I'm just a little bit worried that it's a bit too too bodycon for my liking, so I might need to wear a slip underneath it. I'm thinking might help, just to smooth out this middle section, because I don't like that sort of look. But I love the dress and I really like the snakeskin effect of it. So it's sort of like embroidered on, and I think it's really, really beautiful. And the colour of it's exactly what I was looking for. So I think with a good slip underneath, I should be able to smooth out this section. But I just think it's a little bit too tight, which is why it's hugging all my curves. But it is a size 6, so I guess that just came with it. But for £1, I'm not complaining. I think it's a lovely dress for the price I paid. And I definitely think I can make it work. So let me know what you think, but I do think a bit of shapewear or a slip underneath and I'll be good to go. So that's this one. This is how the first jumper fits and I love it. I love the colour of it. I'm going to say love so many times if I'm not careful. I just can't believe I found this for £1. I really like the two-tone blue and I don't think it's ever been worn. It looks literally brand new, so I'm so excited for this one. I'll probably keep this one as my nice one rather than destroy it fossil hunting, just because I actually really like the fit of it, and it will be really nice for walking because it's quite tight fitting, so I can layer up. But no, I really like this one. Let me know what you think, but I just can't believe I found this in the pound charity shop. That's nuts. Love it. And this is how this jumper fits, and I also just love the colours. So it's a little bit of a brand whore. It's quite, you know, I love the DKNY Active on it, but I'm also a colour whore, so I was drawn to the sort of purpley and the blue. I just really like it together. I think it's lovely, and it's very 90s in my eyes. I don't know, like the crop style. I think it's going to be really cute. I'll probably wear this one just with jeans as well, just as a bit more of a casual jumper, but it's a nice little fleece, so I'm sure it will come in handy for other things as well. But it was £1. Literally amazing. That's all I got for you guys today. I really do hope you enjoyed this little charity shop haulage. I did do quite well today, actually. I love the jumpers. Like, the colours of them, they're so cute. I'm obsessed. But I didn't do bad today, did I? Minus the leggings. That was the only casualty. Everything else is perfect. So I'm really chuffed with that. And the leggings might fit my mum amazingly. So for £1, it's worth the risk. I still can't believe all this stuff was £1. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Also, I thought I would start a little, I have a question. Are charity shops in England the same as thrift shops in America, or thrift shops not for charity? If that makes sense. Like, does the money just go to someone who started the thrift shop? I've always wondered that. But no, I charity shop in England, so all the money goes to different charities. They all have a different agenda, which is really nice. I have a lot of fun. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what other stuff you'd like to see. But I'll probably just keep filming these, especially when I find cool stuff like this. So yeah, thanks for watching, and if you want to check out my social media, I'll link all that down below, and also my second channel, which is called M-Gems, and all about geology and rocks and fossils, and the reason I always have to buy jumpers. So yeah, go check that out. But thank you again for watching, and hopefully I'll see you next time.